Hi, welcome back. Today we will see some basics in Coreldraw. So, in line tool, in previous video we have studied about the freehand tool. So, there is one polyline tool. We will discuss about the polyline tool. It is one of the easiest tool for drawing continuously. In in freehand tool, the main problem is it's a line with 2 points. So if we click on the second point, the line is completed. Actually the process is completed. So this is the freehand tool. Regarding the polyline, it is really continuous. So from one point to other, but still this can be drawn anywhere. The process completes when it comes to the closing of an object. You can see on the first point, if it comes to the first point, the object is closed, and it is very easy for drawing. Straight objects can be drawn with that much ease. So if I need to close the object, you can see node appears and just click there. So and if you need to edit this, double click so that you can see the lines appear in blue color, so you can adjust accordingly. See, you can adjust accordingly. And if you need to delete, double click a point, Ctrl Z for undo, double click a point if you want to erase, or click a point and you can see a solid blue colors appear instead of white, and right click so that you can see the options relating to that point. If you want to add a point, you can add. If you want to make it a curve, to curve, and you can see there is an arrow coming so that you can make that to a curve. Or if you want to make it to a line, to line, the curves gone. Okay, these are all the editing options. And if you, I'll show you, if you are drawing here like this and you want to stop the drawing from that point, so in polyline the process completed after first and last points coincide. So if you need to stop the process from here, either you can press escape. In some computer, in some software, if you press the escape like this, it's gone. It's like a delete option. So Ctrl Z, or I will show you one more option. Yeah, so if I need to stop the drawing at this point, press escape. Okay, if you want to delete a point, just double click the point. So in this way you can stop a process. And if you need to join these 2 points, either you can draw a line over here like this and close the object and it will be closed, or if you need to drag this point to this point, double click and just bring both the point together so that it's closed, and I'll show you it's closed. And one more thing, you see a black color or border line. If you need to remove that line from the solid object, you can see on the right side bottom there is a line command, and this is fill command. So line, double click, and the point thickness is 0.5 hairline, you can show that, so a minute line will be appearing. Actually in printing it will show much difference. And if you do not need that line, make the width none. Okay, so it's gone, there is no line. Control Z, and if you want to change the line, select, then double click, change the color into blue. Just not selected. 1 second. Blue. Okay. Okay. So you can see the line is in blue. See. If you need to increase the thickness, make it to 1. See. There is a line. Or if you do not need that line, double click, then none. Okay, there is no line. So in this way you can change the line. There is also patterns available. Just kindly browse through that areas. This is all regarding the Polyline tool. Hope everything is clear, and if you need anything, please let me know through the comment section, and please share my profile. Thank you.